The XMaster Formula Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 platforms and apply it to the TWI chart. Traders can also read this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and apply it to the chart by dragging the file. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the common settings and then click the Confirm button. Select the indicator file from the Navigator and drag it to the chart. Enable Allow DLL Imports in Settings and confirm. The indicator opens an oscillator window at the chart's bottom. The XMaster Formula Indicator helps identify trends. When the indicator is placed on the chart, an oscillator window opens at the bottom of the chart. The XMaster Formula Indicator is a practical and suitable tool for identifying upward trends and recognizing downward trends. This indicator displays upward trends in blue and downward trends in brown. It also issues a sell signal when the trend changes from upward to downward and a buy signal when the trend changes from downward to upward. Additionally, when buy and sell signals are sent, trading alerts are also sent to traders so they can take advantage of trading opportunities. This indicator displays upward trends in blue and downward trends in brown. It also issues a sell signal when the trend changes from upward to downward and a buy signal when the trend changes from downward to upward. Additionally, when buy and sell signals are sent, trading alerts are also sent to traders so they can take advantage of trading opportunities. This indicator performs its function using two indicators, moving averages and AXD, and it identifies trend changes. In the settings section, in this section, there are options available for us, where in the first part, you can choose the display settings. The indicator's dedicated theme or template settings have three modes: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart, template that is placed on my chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart, and by choosing the custom option, it keeps your personalized template while only applying the indicator to the chart. In the next section, you can choose the indicator settings, including the alert sending status, and whether to enable or disable alerts, which is set to enabled by default here. You can switch it to false. If the status is false, the next two options won't be functional. However, if the first option is true, you can configure the next two options, where you can enable the alert sending along with sound. Set false to disable options. True allows. If the status is false, the next two options won't be functional. However, if the first option is true, you can configure the next two options. In this section, you can enable the alert sending along with sound. You can either select it as inactive, and in the last section, you can enable or disable email alert sending, which only works if you have set up the email settings. In the Tools section under Options, here, I will select the dark template and then click Confirm. So friends, my template has changed to dark and the oscillator has been applied to my chart. Well, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.